Here's how I lost out on $30,000 as a real estate agent. One of my previous clients referred a buyer to me, and he was looking for $1 million home. After showing him 4 homes, our offer was accepted on a $1.2 million home. Once we got into escrow, it was a 3-day period of submitting his earnest money deposit, which he did not do at the end of 3 days. I had been reminding him the past 3 days, and he never responded to any text, calls, or emails. By this time, I had already scheduled the inspections as well. The listing agent had to send a notice to perform since the buyer was not answering the escrow officer's phone calls or mine. When you get a notice to perform, you only have 2 days to perform. In this case, the buyer needed to submit his earnest money deposit to the escrow officers. Since he did not do that within the 2 days, the contract automatically got canceled. Unfortunately, if clients don't communicate, then this is how deals do not close and agents lose out on their commission.